di computer juga. Iya, betul. Iya, lakukan siapa? Then we start recording.
Nice. Let me start first. So, good afternoon, class. Today's lesson we are going to learn about software. So, first we need to define what introduction. We need to start with introduction to software, learning outcome. So the learning outcome definition of terms, what we are supposed to cover, definition of terms, classification of software, criteria for classification, and operating system. Definition of terms. What is software? That's the first question. What is software? Software refers to the collection of program, data, and instructions that enable computer system to perform specific tasks or function. It involves both the application and the user interaction with direct and the system software and management support the computer directly. Classification of software. Software are classified into two. We have the system software and the application software. For the system software, definition. What is a system software? That's the question. So a system software is responsible for managing and controlling the computer hardware, providing a platform for running applications. Example include operating system, device, drivers, firmware, and utility program. So we get a system software from the manufacturer. So application software, the second classification of software, it is application software. For the application software, it is designed to perform specific tasks or function for end user. For example, web processor and spreadsheets, web browser, games, and multimedia software. These are the types of software whereby the user does what install after acquiring the computer itself. So let's continue. So criteria of classification of software. Criteria for classification of software. So the criteria is compatibility with existing software and system and software. So the software should be compatible with the existing operating system. So user-friendly should be user-friendly and easy for learning, for effectiveness and reliability and stability. Scalability to accommodate future needs and security features. Operating system. Another thing to cover is operating system. What is an operating system? That's the first question you are supposed to ask yourself. What is an operating system? So an operating system is a software component that manages hardware resources and provide essential services for the computer program. It acts as an intermediary between the hardware and the software layers. Types of operating system. We have single multi-user operating system and single and multitasking operating system, real-time operating system, and distributed operating system. For the single operating system, this type of operating system that the user, it accommodates one user at a time. User operating system is the type of operating system that allows more than one user to interact at the same time. So for the single and multitasking operating system, this is for the single operating system, it is that type of operating system that it does one task at a time, accomplish one task at a time. When multitasking operating system is that type of operating system that it does many things at the same time, all tasks at the same time. So I think we've come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for giving me this. So I want you next lesson, you need to do an assignment. So you need to do this. You discuss 5 types of operating system. So next time I'll collect and we continue from there. Thank you.